I'm Kishan Sreenath, leading the powertrain engineering function in Bangalore, and I'm dedicated to developing clean powertrain solutions, advancing digitalization through use of data and simulations. Imagine a world where every drop of fuel is used efficiently, every watt of energy is optimized, and every design decision reduces emissions, even before a single prototype is built. That's the world Advanced CFD is helping us create, and my keynote focuses on how Advanced CFD is shaping a more sustainable world. And at Volvo, we leverage CFD to design cleaner engines. While we leverage CFD to develop cleaner engines, we also look at it as an option to optimize cooling and also to improve aerodynamics. These are crucial steps towards reducing emissions and also to accelerating transformation to the net zero journey we are all up to. By predicting performances before physical prototypes are created, we save a lot of time, cost, resources, and these are really essential for next generation technologies like hydrogen systems and also electrified powertrains. So what excites me about CFD25 is the convergence of innovative ideas and cutting-edge technologies. This includes autonomous meshing, predictive simulations, and solvers with near linear speed-ups. So these are evolving from modeling tools into enablers of sustainability, and this conference, I really hope, will spark collaboration that drives meaningful real-world impact. My favorite part is autonomous meshing and predictive CFD, which is enabled by CONVERGE, which also means no more manual grid generation, which also means engineers can focus on physics and design. Predictive CFD means fewer prototypes, which also leads us to faster decisions and better sustainability outcomes. And together, advanced CFD and innovative innovation will help us engineer a cleaner, smarter, and a more sustainable future. Thank you, and looking forward to meeting you at the CFD25 conference.